Hello students, welcome in our SS session where we are studying of geography, second chapter which is structure of earth, in which we have seen about the layers. Our earth has three layers which are crust, mantle and core, about which we are studied in previous videos. I hope you understand. You have written the words, you make the notes and complete in your CW, as well as you have to understand whole chapter. You can read next portion also, where you can prepare better and you can score well in the exam. Now, here in previous video we have seen about the layers which are crust, mantle and core. Crust, the topmost layer of earth which is near to the atmosphere, which is the thinnest layer of the earth. The thickness of crust which is 35 kilometer only. Crust is of two types, continental crust and oceanic crust. After that we have seen about the mantle. Mantle which has also in two layers, upper mantle and lower mantle. The thickness, average thickness of the mantle, that is 2900 kilometer. In mantle there are also some of minerals, there are also some of metals. Then after that we have seen about core. Here core is also in two layers, inner core and outer core. Core which has the high temperature, very high temperature, and due to this high temperature, the temperature can be high. Near to the center it can be of 5000 degrees Celsius. So this much high temperature can be seen in the core, and due to this, here all the materials, all the metals are in the form of molten. Now you will think that how I give this all detailed information to you, because of this much deep no one can go. So how we are decided about this different layers, how geologists decide proof about these layers. So there are some of, due to the technology, there are some of machines, there are some of instruments which are going into depth and which are giving detailed information about different layers of earth, and as a result we can study about different layers of earth. Now the next part of earth, as we have seen, earth which is in different layers, earth's crust as well as mantle and core, which are different layers, and then some of internal movements are there. Internal forces are there like eruption, volcano, tsunami. With this, on the surface of earth, there are also some of movements, due to which also some of like erosion, flood, water, rain, wind, sunshine. These all movements are there on the surface of earth, and due to this rocks are formed. Not only this, some another reasons are also there, due to which the rocks are formed, so about which we are going to see in detail. Now, what is rock? What is meant by rock? So rocks, the material that forms the crust. The materials that forms the crust of the earth is called rock. What is rock? The material that forms the crust of the earth is called rocks. These rocks, the material can be varied, like soil, clay, dust, dust particles, gravel, pebble, seal, stone, which is appear on continental crust and as well as on oceanic crust. So this all material that forms the crust of the earth is called rocks. This all material which is available on the crust, which forms the layer which is crust. So this all material is called as the rocks. These rocks can be varied. Some rocks are available, appear in solid form, as well as some are hard, like granite, marble, which are used in construction in very different purposes. So this all, as well as some rocks are soft and loose. Not only all the rocks are hard, solid. So some of the rocks are soft and loose, like clay, chalk. This is also one of the example of rock. So like this, some soft and loose rocks are also there. Rocks which are various in physical properties. All rocks, if you observe around to us, surround to you, many of rocks are there which are available in different colors. Some rocks which are black, green, brown. So like this, many colors are there, and if you are studying in China, there are the mountains which are known as Rainbow Mountains, a UNESCO which declares World Heritage Site. So if you observe that, if you see that all rocks, all mountains are in rainbow color, various color. So colors are different, as well as a composition. Their compositions, some are hard, some are soft, some are having holes on it, some are having layers. So their composition is also different, as well as their hardness. Some are very soft, some are very loose, some are very tough, hard. So like this, they are various in color, various in composition, various in hardness. And might be you are observing around to you, many of rocks are there, where you can see all these features which are of different colors, composition and hardness. Now we have to see about the minerals. Not only rocks, minerals are also there in interior of the earth. So these all rocks which are made up of minerals, and minerals are the natural substances found in the earth's crust. Minerals are the natural substances which are found in the earth's crust. So these all minerals which are made up of rocks, which are made up of minerals, and these all minerals are the natural substances found in the earth's crust, contain one or more elements. Some of minerals contains one elements, some minerals are contain more elements. So these all elements are known as minerals. Now here some of characteristics are there of minerals. How these minerals are useful, where these all are used. What are features of these minerals? So minerals, they carry a definite chemical compositions and physical properties. All the minerals which are carry definite chemical composition as well as physical properties. They have definite composition, they have definite physical properties. They may be metallic or non-metallic. All the minerals can be metallic or non-metallic. Might be you are known about the metals which are useful in our life. Everywhere we are using many of the things which are made up of metals. So some of minerals which are metallic and non-metallic or non-metallic minerals like rocks. Minerals are also in different colors. Minerals are also in different colors. Texture. Minerals, their texture is not equal. All the minerals are not same in texture. Hardness, their hardness is also different. As well as luster. Luster means shine. Some minerals which are very shine. So the luster is also different. So minerals which are metallic or non-metallic as well as which are available in different colors, texture, hardness and luster. All these minerals which are useful. Where these minerals are useful, how we are using these minerals. So these are useful as a fuels. We are using these minerals as a fuels like coal, natural gas and petroleum. These all minerals we are using as a fuels like coal, natural gas and petroleum. Some of minerals which are used in factories. Some minerals are used in factories like iron, gold and aluminium. Some minerals are used in factories. So that are iron, gold and aluminium. Some minerals are useful to make the medicines. For making medicines, these minerals are useful and some are used in factories, in companies. So these rocks, minerals, these all are useful to us. They are very easily